Ahead of assembly elections in Assam, connectivity has become one of the major concerns for locals in Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal's constituency, Majuli. Due to the absence of a bridge between Jorhat to Majuli, locals are facing connectivity issues as the river island is connected by ferries to Nimati Ghat in Jorhat that ply between 8 am to 4 pm. The communication has been a massive challenge for people in Majuli as the absence of a bridge continues to cause them inconvenience. During monsoon, even this service stops as the Brahmaputra invariably flows over the danger mark.
ट्रांसपोर्ट कम्युनिकेशन नहीं होता है, जो मतलब टाइमिंग दिया जाता है ना, तो कुछ लोग मतलब टाइम से आ नहीं पाते हैं, तो जो ये बोट है बोट सब चला जाता है, तो लाइक वो दिक्कत होता है, और जो नहीं आ पाता है वो रह जाता है, इसलिए मतलब कम्युनिकेशन का ही दिक्कत है.
In 2016, the BJP had promised the construction of a bridge connecting Jorhat to the island. The foundation stone of the bridge was laid in February 2016 by Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari before the assembly elections. It is to be mentioned that Majuli is a beautiful river island in the Brahmaputra River and the first island to be made a district in India in 2016 when its MLA Sarbananda Sonowal became the Chief Minister of Assam. However, transport connectivity with the nearby city Jorhat is a very old and important issue for the constituency till date. Despite CM Sarbananda Sonowal's assured commitment to make Majuli one of the top districts in the country through holistic development of the river island, people are facing inconvenience to reach their destinations. It takes 45 minutes to reach Majuli by ferry from Jorhat, but the availability of ferries and timing is limited, so people are facing problems reaching there.
हाँ, पुल बनाने के लिए सोच रहा है, क्या करेगा पता नहीं. गवर्नमेंट लोग तो ऐसे
कब से ऐसे ही, मतलब शुरू से कभी
शुरू से ऐसे तो चलते रह रहा.
उस साइड कौन सा डिस्ट्रिक्ट है?
और तो माजुली डिस्ट्रिक्ट हो गया अभी.
माजुली तो शायद मुख्यमंत्री जी का.
हाँ, ये सर्बानंद सोनोवाल जी का.
कुछ विकास होगा तो
विकास तो जरूर बहुत
बहुत जरूरत है.
पुल का ऐसे तो पुल का जरूर अभी होना सोच रहा अभी कि आदमी के लिए. देखिए हम लोग का कितना दिक्कत हो गया, अभी आ गया 7 बजे और फेरी नहीं है. अभी तो जाना तो जरूरी है, सीएम का प्रोग्राम है, हम तो जाना ही पड़ेगा.
Just before the election announcement in the state, the Bhumi Pujan was performed for a 6.8-kilometer bridge in February this year, which will be constructed at a cost of Rs 925 crores and work on the project is expected to be completed by March 2025. But the main concern arises as to why BJP-led government at the center took 5 years to move from foundation stone laying to groundbreaking ceremony of one bridge. How long will it take to finally complete the bridge so that the people of Majuli can benefit from it?